Remember when you first got your iPhone? It was so shiny, so pretty, so beautiful, and you were so happy. But then something happened and you dropped it. And now it looks like this, or this, or this, or this. And now you look like this. But there's no need to cry, because Little Rock iPhone Repair is here to put a smile back on your face. Little Rock iPhone Repair has built a reputation in Little Rock and all of Central Arkansas for high-quality OEM iPhone repair. Their Little Rock iPhone Repair Service Center has the ability to perform just about any iPhone repair. Whether it is an iPhone screen replacement, iPhone LCD replacement, iPhone water damage, or iPhone charging port replacement, just to name a few, they can do it all. Check them out at LittleRockIPhone.com. They're located at 1200 South Chester Street in Little Rock, Arkansas. Give them a call today at 501-613-7008. Become a fan on Facebook and receive a $20 discount. That's LittleRockIPhoneRepair.com.